Okay, thank you.
Lucky Bastards Motorcycle Tour number 2 coming on. This thing is amazing already. Slight detour when we first set off, when I went 30 miles the wrong way to get gas. But anyway, we're here, somewhere. I had no idea where I was camping last night. I set up in the rain. First disaster of the trip. I've just ripped my tent on the barbed wire. Lunchtime.
T'as jamais su faire un solo?
On va raconter tout ça après.
Okay, this is the first problem. I'm out of gas, and at this time of night there's nobody on the gas station, and American cars don't have a pin or chip. So these fine people.
Non, je vais chercher ma voiture.
Okay. She's going to escort me to the gas station, use her card, and I'm going to pay her cash. Anyway, all is good, hopefully. I'll just have enough gas to get a mile down the road. Bit of a disaster. I've been looking everywhere for a gas station with someone in it, but no joy at this time of night. It's only 8:30. Adventure continues. Never ceases to amaze me how great people are. Trying to dry my tent out before this stuff goes on.
Abonné au bar dans les teufs comme un bœuf prétendant.
The best bit about France is the bakeries.
Bonjour monsieur. What? Patisserie? Yes.
Wow.
Oh, yes. Baker, the baker. Baguette. I like the motorbike.
The rain woke me up this morning. It's followed me all the way to here. Nearly into Spain. This is still France. The sun's trying to come out, but at least it's dry. And this is one pretty place. And we're about to start this beautiful run down to my final destination. Can't wipe the smile off my face. I feel so lucky. This is magnificent. I'm here all by myself, but anyway, you're here to share it with me. And if you've got a motorcycle, come out here. This is spectacular. This is what I call camping. better wake up call than seagulls anyway. I'm near my final destination in Spain, Labaneda, or however you pronounce it. And I've just come across this, look, motorcycles at a car wash. It's close?
15 miles más o menos.
Just met this gentleman. From what I can understand, he's going to take me to his sheep.
Cabra.
Gracias. Muchas gracias. Oh yes, I've made it. Jamie Robinson, Alpinestars. That's where I'm heading. Those turns are soon going to be mine. Woohoo! All that. Wow. Motorcycling, man. It's what dreams are made of.